Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to send a voice message on Viber. Maybe you want to add a personal touch to your conversations or just find typing out a message time consuming. So today I'm going to show you how to send a voice message on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Viber application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main chat screen. On this page, locate the chat or conversation where you want to send the voice message. For example, I want to send it to this conversation, so simply tap on it. In this chat interface, look for this microphone icon located at the bottom right corner of the chat box. Tap and hold on this icon to start recording your voice message. While holding the microphone icon, speak your message into the device microphone. You can record for as long as you like. If you want to cancel the recording, simply swipe your finger to the left and release the microphone icon. Once you have finished recording your message, release the microphone icon. The voice message will be automatically sent to the chat or conversation. Your recipient will be able to listen to the voice message by tapping on it. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send a voice message on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to send a voice message on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.